In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change flight ticket date Emirates. If you need to modify your travel plans and change the date of your Emirates flight, there are several ways to get assistance through the airline's support resources. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of finding the appropriate contact options and reaching the Emirates support team to request a flight date change. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Emirates Manage Booking. This will help you locate the official Emirates website, where you can access booking management tools, travel information, and customer support resources. Once you arrive on the Emirates website, you'll find various features and services designed to help passengers manage their reservations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page and then scroll toward the bottom of the website. Near the bottom section, locate and select the Help and Contact option. This area contains support information, frequently asked questions, and helpful articles related to bookings, cancellations, changes, and other travel-related topics. After opening the Help and Contact section, you'll see a range of support articles. Continue by selecting the option related to canceling or changing a flight. This section provides guidance for travelers who need to modify existing reservations. As you continue through the available support information, look for the Get in Touch with Us link. Select this option to access additional assistance resources and contact methods. You'll be directed to another support page where Emirates provides ways for customers to communicate with their support team. Scroll down the page until you find the section related to feedback, complaints, and customer support forms. In this area, you may see an option labeled Complete Our Form. Selecting this option will display information regarding the types of requests that can be handled through the form system. If the page indicates that certain booking assistance requests cannot be processed through the form, continue by selecting the Please Contact Us link. This will take you to a page that contains worldwide contact information for Emirates customer service. On the contact page, look for the Find Out More option and select your country or region from the available list. Choosing the correct location ensures that you're provided with the appropriate contact information for your area. Once you've selected your location, you'll be shown the relevant customer support contact details. Use the provided contact method to speak with an Emirates representative and request a change to your flight date. The support team can guide you through any applicable fare conditions, availability, and change options associated with your booking. And that's how you can find the appropriate support channels to request a flight date change with Emirates. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,